Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you say. Happy celebration to you. Today we're gonna be making the dice board, and I've got all kind of different things here to put on it and draw with. Garland, there are little bulbs and lights and glitter and bows. We've got everything we need to make this thing look spectacular. And during Christmas, we will have it to play the game with. And I'm gonna give credit to Crafty Morning. They had posted it and my mom screenshot it and she sent it to me. So I went out to Walmart and picked up this foam board. This was probably like $2, not even, maybe it was like 99 cents, I forget. But this is the thicker board, as you can see. It is actually thick. It's the foam board. You're gonna wanna be able to have it like stand up at your party, wherever you're doing. Oh, this would be a good thumbnail, huh? All right, so let's see what we can do with this thing. So excited. So actually, this should probably go this way. I brought with me pencil just to do it first, just to test it. Because, you know, you don't want to just mark up on it right away and then it'd be screwed up and you're like, I don't know. At least a pencil we can erase lines and get it over with. So down the one side, we gotta make room for the garland. So we know there's gonna be at least some sort of thing with that. Speak it just like that. Okay, it's mine down. Yeah, well, I'm gonna hope the piece of wood is right. Found it in the garage. Yippee to that. Oh, it's gonna bother me if it isn't. Okay, I can barely see that. Ugh. Oh, that's because the pencil went away. Hello? Hello? Operator? I think the shadows to my lights are kind of like throwing off my lines here, so I'm really gonna hope that this is like a straight line. Nope! Need them thick lines. Thick. Real thick. You can use a ruler or anything straight. That's better. Alright, see? We can get rid of this bad line here. We don't need this anymore. She can go away. Yeah. Okay. Get out of here, you filthy animal. If you're using the foam board, be careful and watch, because if you press just, even with this eraser, it's gonna put like a dent in the foam board. Obviously there's 6 sides to a dice, so we need to make 6 different rows. Yes, rows, columns, rows, Microsoft Excel, get it together. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So we gotta get these lines just right. I am really like, really precise on things, you know, I do this, but we're getting towards the top spot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So that's measured and out, and that looks good. Let me double check. All right, let me show you guys how it's coming along. So you probably can't see anything because it's in pencil, but looking at it here, it's pretty darn good. All right. Next, we're going to outline this in black so we can see it, and then get the words on here, and then we can decorate. We gotta go ahead and get this traced black. Reline your ruler or your whatever you're using back up against these pencil marks, then go back over them. A black permanent marker. Actually, you can use whatever color you want. It doesn't matter. I'm just using black, just so everybody can read it and everyone can see it. You might use red, you might use green. And like my theme, I'm kind of going with like a red and a hint of green. I've got like 3 green bulbs, glitter glue, everything I got. I'm trying to make it like a red and white with this touch of green. You might want it to be all red, all green. You might like the Winter Wonderland where it's blue and silver. So just use whatever color scheme is really special to you. Now, that was probably the hardest part. I mean, getting those lines straight, here we go. Making them look really nice and getting them on the board. Next is probably gonna be really easy. Although if we wanna get like really detailed with the dots, I'm gonna need something to trace. Okay, so I found this like really awesome cork and I'm gonna try and use this. I'll start up here. Keep it in a little bit. You can see this here. I'm not trying to go like in the direct center of this. You're gonna have those borders here. We got a little off center there, folks. We're back on the track now. Is everything okay on your side? Good, because it's okay on my side. All right. Oh, that's perfect. I'm excited. Who's excited? I'm excited. This is a really good idea, whoever came up with this. Well, the one main component you're going to need is the dice. I was at Five Below 2 Christmases ago. In one of their bins, they had these huge foam dice. Are you ever just like shopping and you just see something and you're like, I have to have that? And I don't just mean like I mean, it is an impulse, but it was almost like I'm going to use this a lot or never. And I have to have something like this because I don't think it'll ever exist again. That's what happened with these foam dice. Where do you find giant foam dice at? Nowhere. Look. If you don't have a Five Below, I am sorry. It's pretty much like a dollar store, but with like a lot cooler stuff, like for like younger people, I would say. I mean, there's like candy, really random things there. pencil first just to make sure it looks right. Don't want to grab your markers, your glue, your anything, your whatever you're going to use and just start going to town. That's just being reckless. You have to have a plan of action here, you know, and make sure that this is going to come out right. See, that's too far away. So that's actually one of the first ones. I mean, I got all the way to 5 and I messed up. Although I could probably redo the 4, but I don't think I will. Okay, there's the 5. Oh boy, this 6 is close to the bottom. Oh man, I'm gonna have to watch what I put down here. Well, at this point, there's no going back. Oh, wait, no. But that's okay, I'm not doing this again. We're just gonna go with it, folks. It's okay, yours is gonna come out probably different than mine and the person next to you. Just grab your marker, whatever color you're gonna use. Again, red, green, blue, purple, black, pink. Fill in those circles. Squeak of that marker. This way, that way, this way, that way. All right, wow. There we go. There we have it. So grab an eraser, go back over, make sure your markers, you know, dry first. Blow on it, fan it, wait, whatever. Go take a chill pill, something to just allow you some time. Dope, I love it. So it looks really good. One thing I noticed that I didn't do is I forgot to draw the line actually like straight through to the edge so that all the dice colors don't mix together and I gotta go back over that. So rule number 1 is keep your gift. Number 2 is steal anyone's gift. All right, number 3 is everyone pass the gift to the left. Well, for you guys, I think the left's that way. Rule number 4 is everyone pass the gift to the right. I did think about being really precise in printing these out. Realistically, you'd probably be just like pasting multiple papers together. Probably just best to write this out, take your time, know what you're writing. Ooh, number 5 is keep your gift. And number 6, steal anyone's gift. Whew, all right, I'm glad that part's over because that was stressful. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some garland on here and some little side props and we're gonna see where we can go from here. Okay guys, so I finished my board. There were some parts that it really didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I should have kept in mind the fact that, and this is what you guys should do too before you start making yours. If you're going to make a border, that you're going to make a border. Obviously didn't leave enough room. When you hold it up, you can read it, you get it, but it's not as clean as this side where it's like there was a clear, just accommodate for that border. I think it came out fine. I actually decorated more at the top, hanging down. Use craft glue, just use Scotch tape. Make sure it's the clear tape. Twist it around some garland, put on some bows, some little baby ornaments. There is our Christmas board dice game. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me see what you guys came up with. I'm really curious. Again, I want to give original credit to Crafty Morning. They didn't ask me to make this video or anything. I just want to make sure I give credit where it's due. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you're going to do with your board. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified. Share this video with your friends. And as always, guys, stay icy. Merry Christmas.